Alright guys, welcome back to rebuilding a wrecked Ford Mustang GT. As you guys know from the previous video, we blew up the clutch. The car was not shifting any gears, so we thought let's go ahead and get a new clutch. So we put in the clutch, put everything back together. Little did we know, we ran into another problem, which was the transmission. So we went ahead, got a low mileage transmission, put that one in, took the car down. We thought we were going to take it out for a drive, but unfortunately we were not able to shift any gears. That was only because it was the clutch that was the issue. We weren't able to bleed the clutch, but luckily after, I'm not sure, like 8-9 hours of bleeding the clutch, we were able to shift the gears. We took it out for a drive. It runs smoothly, it's really good right now, and we're literally so happy that everything worked out fine. So we're gonna go ahead and show you guys the footage of putting in the clutch and the transmission, so enjoy it. Alright guys, so we finally took out the transmission, as you guys see. Let me go ahead and show you guys a side-by-side comparison. This one here is the new clutch we just put in. It is looking absolutely clean and ready to go. Let's go ahead and now let me show you guys the old clutch, the one that was giving us all the trouble. If you guys look closely, right here, it is cracked and absolutely broken from multiple spots. Let me go ahead and show you guys from the other side. Look at that. Alright guys, a quick side-by-side comparison for you guys. This is the old one that we just took out, and this is the new low mileage one that we just got. So let's go ahead and put this one in. In this video, we're going to be putting all the mods on this Mustang, starting off with wrapping the roof in gloss black wrap. We already cleaned the roof, so let's go ahead and lay our wrap. Alright guys, we are finally done with the wrap. As you guys see, it came out really nice. We're going to go ahead put on the second mod, which will be the wicker ball. We already have this one on, but as you guys notice, it is cracked from multiple places. So let's go ahead, remove this one, and put in the new wicker ball. Alright guys, we already put on the wicker ball. We put on the gloss black wrap. Let's go ahead and move on to the third mod, which will be the front bumper lip. As you guys noticed, we already took off the front bumper. So let's go ahead, put on the lip on the bumper, slap this front bumper on, and hopefully it makes this car look aggressive. Alright guys, we're done with the front lip. The car is jacked up, so let's go ahead, remove those wheels and paint those calipers.
Alright guys, we are done painting the calipers in silver. Now it's time to shoot our blue base coat, which is a blue anodized paint. So let's go and shoot our first coat of blue.
Hey bro, why does it look like V6 from the side?
Don't worry, I got something that's gonna change the side look.
Oh yeah?
Check it out now, bro.
Oh, I like it. Now we're talking. That's what's up.
Alright guys, before I go ahead and put the clear coat on, I have these Brembo stickers that I'm gonna slap it on. So let's go ahead and slap these Brembo stickers.
Alright guys, as you guys see, he is putting the clear coat on the blue calipers, which will be matching this blue intake cone. So let's go ahead, swap this one out with this dirty intake.